Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a video. I'm making Nigerian egg, and this is actually a collab with Naturally Ella, and she is making American egg. So if you want to see her video, then click the I or go to the link in the description. So I'm going to be making Nigerian egg, and before I start this video, this is the way that I make it. I know there may be some stuff that you're like, oh, I don't think you're supposed to put that in Nigerian egg. Well, there's specific different ways, and this is one way that personally I like. So let's just get started with this video. So these are the ingredients you're going to need: egg, any type of oil, 1 plum tomato, and 1 onion. Well, make sure that it's small because you don't want so much onion. Crayfish, salt or pepper. Unless you want to use a different spice, we use Slap Ya Mama. And then authentic Nigerians mostly use Maggi. So the first thing you're going to want to do is dice up your tomato. Next, you want to you want to dice up your onion. Oh, shit. Now that I have diced all my vegetables, I'm going to now break the eggs. I'm making 6 eggs since it's for me, my mom, and my sister. So now I'm going to get a teaspoon of crayfish. And now I'm just gonna beat it. Now I'm going to be putting some avocado oil, and you want to get a good amount, so like and I'm using this good of amount because I'm frying the egg and I'm sauteing the vegetables. Next, I am going to put the onions inside. Now I'm going to be putting the tomatoes inside. Now we just wait till it's fully sauteed. Is that how you say it? Sauteed? Oh. So we're just gonna wait, and then we're going to put the egg in later on. If the oil looks like it's not enough, then just add a little bit of oil. If you didn't want to add crayfish to your egg, you can always also add tuna. But now I'm just going to put my egg into the mix. Now we're going to wait until it forms a little bit. You want to make sure that there's egg all around it, like all around the onion and tomato, so that one person just doesn't have a lot of onions in their egg. So now I'm flipping it so that each side can cook well. So now I'm just going to dish it onto a plate. And you can eat this with bread or bagels or something, but it's good to eat it with anything. You can also eat it with yam. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share it to the world. I love you guys and have an amazing day.